My name is Kasia Olszko. My son is Jasper, and he's in Pioneers, and we've been with Learnlife since September. I was actually drawn to Learnlife 7 years ago when we first got to Barcelona, and there was only the urban hub at the time. So it's been on my radar since day one. What brought us to Learnlife is a mix of looking for somewhere where our son will actually enjoy his time. Like, our kids spend so much time at school. So if it is 6-8 hours per day, being somewhere where he wants to be and when he's really learning and thriving, that was one important pull-in. I want a space that from the beginning supports his strengths rather than focuses on his weaknesses, because we know from research that if we focus on our strengths and accept our weaknesses, this is what helps us thrive in life. But mainly the self-directed learning aspect of it and the focus on the emotional and mental development, but especially the emotional well-being and that aspect of education, which in the public system is completely still left out. Yes, the academics are covered, and also innovative and clever and interesting ways. But unless you are prepared to thrive in the world, to find your way, to be able to relate to others and to have a strong base in terms of your self-worth and ability to look after your mental and emotional well-being, academics just don't matter.